Now in checkpoint 11.3, okay, we're actually looking at geometrically similar figures. It might not be a direct, let's say triangle, cone, etc., but it's fine. Okay, all you need to remember is that whenever you have a similar figure, you can apply the similarity rule. Alright, so first up, okay, they ask you to find the ratio of the height. Okay, so height of A over height of B, when I square them together, this will actually give you 42.25 over 20.25. So in order for me to find HA over HB, I will do a square root. Correct now? Okay, over 20.25. What I'll do is I'll reject minus negative for sure. Okay, so once you're done, you will actually have 13 over 9, of which HA to HB equals 13:9. Now please remember, ratio is not fraction, so give your answers in ratio, okay, not in fraction, right? Then part B, let's see, the volume of space in figure B is 50 cm cube. Okay, so calculate the volume of space in volume A and correct answer to 2dp, right? So using the height, okay, ratio, you cube this, okay, you get 2197 over 729. Now ratio is not the actual like amount, okay, so please be very mindful. Alright, in this case, if let's say they tell you, okay, this is in terms of like units per se, because we're looking at ratio. So if let's say they tell you that, okay, the volume of A over volume of B is 2197 over 729. And 729 units is actually what? Okay, let's go back to a bit more primary school style, okay? You should be able to understand with this, 50 cm cube. Correct now? So if I have 729 units as 50 cm cube, one unit will technically be 50 divided by 729. Quite straightforward, right? Okay, so they ask you what is the figure in part A. Okay, what's the volume of figure A? Alright, so 2197 units will be 50 times 729 multiplied by 2197. So what does this give you? Okay, this will eventually give you a 150.6858, which will actually give you a 150.69 2dp. Okay, in terms of cm cube. Now next, let's take a look at part C. Alright, they say assuming the price of a bottle is proportionate to the volume of perfume, calculate the price of figure B if let's say figure A costs this amount. So again, alright, if let's say figure A, okay, figure A, let's say volume A, volume A is whatever we have here. We just found it, right? Volume A is for the answer in B. So 150.6858. Correct now? Okay, then you know that the price. So for example, price is 1.334. Okay, so the tell is proportional, direct proportional in this case. So you can apply your indirect and direct proportional method. Okay, or you can just do the primary school method, which is for every amount of volume, you know how much is the price. So 1 cm cube is how much in terms of price. That also works. Okay, so I'm going to show you two different steps. So volume A in this case, okay, for the volume of 150.6858, it amounts to, sorry, this one should be, price should be 216. It amounts to 216, right? So for every one cm cube, what you're saying is 216 divided by 150.6858. Okay, so this actually tells you that you actually have one cm cube. So you see, you apply the figure B. Figure B in this case is 50, right? So you just multiply by 50. Okay, you should get, you multiply by 50, 216 over 150.6858 multiplied by 50. This should actually give you a good 71.6722. Okay, so your total price 71.67 in 2dp. Now money has always to be estimated or approximated to 2dp. Okay, whereas let's see the other method. So you will actually form an equation of P equals to KV, where K is a constant. Okay, so when P is 216, okay, volume is 150.6858. Okay, 6858. So 216 equals to K 150.6858, of which K equals to 1.433456. So then let's apply again. So when V equals to 150, V equals to 50, okay, you have P equals to 1.433456 times 50. So this will give you 71.672280. Okay, 71.67. So this is actually the two different methods that you can approach. All right.